Hey guys, and welcome to yet another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a thumbnail using ChatGPT. So there are persons out there that are saying that once it is that you create a thumbnail using AI, you can tell that it's AI, right? But most times you can't, right? And that's all depends on how you input your prompt, right? So whenever it is that you are creating like a poster or a thumbnail, right, you want to personalize it, right? You want to make it your own. You don't just want to say, hey, Canva, create me a thumbnail and put a title, right? You want to give it your own color, right? You want to go ahead to implement some image, right? And some things that you actually want for your thumbnail to showcase, right? So the first thing that I'm going to do, I did not create my prompt beforehand, guys. So I'm just going to input something here. So the first thing that I always do is to go ahead to input my ChatGPT code, and that is humanized. If you have not watched my video on ChatGPT codes, you can go ahead and check it out, right? So my first, let me put humanize here. So all you have to do is to go ahead and spell the word humanize, right? And you put a colon, and I'm going to put professional here because I want for it to look professionally done, right? And I'm going to go ahead here. All right, I'm going to go ahead here to put a full stop, right? And let's see, create me YouTube thumbnail. Let's just say entitled my vacation. All right. There should be palm trees. Okay. So basically, I've inputted a title, right? I inputted that I want for it to have palm trees. The color theme is yellow, green, and white. Sometimes you just have to experiment, right? And I want to use a person. This is AI, thank God. Don't want any copyright on me at all. Let me see if I can go ahead to just copy it right here. And let's see, hope I can place it. Let's see. Let's see. Okay, great. So I went ahead to input that image. So I'm going to type right here. Design. So as you can see, guys, it's not a lot of prompts, right? But it definitely have all the information that I need for it to have. The title, the color theme, right? The image that I want to see in it, and so forth. And again, I did use my ChatGPT code to say that I want for it to look less robotic, right? And more professionally done. So I'm going to go ahead to click on submit. And my thinking mood is my mood is always in thinking, right? Because I definitely want ChatGPT to go ahead and take as much time as it needs, right? To ensure that I get the result that I want. Guys, I'm in Jamaica. The breeze is going on with itself, right? We're coming down to summer, so you know how it is. Okay. I'm about to go outside to get some of these breeze, I ain't gonna lie. Even though it's taking away my voice, but here we are. So look at this. Here we have our wonderful thumbnail, right? my vacation. That's the title that I inputted. I wanted the palm trees. You could see it there, right? I inputted that I wanted to use green and yellow color, and there it is. And that's how you get your professionally done, right, thumbnail. Just go ahead to put more effort in your prompt, right? And of course, if this was a poster, the prompt would be a little bit more longer, right? Because you definitely know we want to be unique at all time. So if you found this video helpful, go ahead and like, subscribe, and stay tuned to my next one.